fucking fantastic. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. This is obsessed. Very big changes happening. Oh my, that is beautiful. Oh my god, what a remarkable piece of stone. Look, it just brings everything together.
Yeah.
God, they're fantastic at what they do, aren't they?
Yeah, how's the lovely things?
Fucking fantastic. Well, you'll have to wait and see what we're looking at. Taking the little missus for a walk. She lost the stone again. How gorgeous is this? Echo. Oh. Don't be drinking that, Bella. Delicious. Good morning. Oh, well, good day. I've been on site all morning, and I'm going for a consultation in Swinford, I think it is. So I'm just going to unload the car up. I'm not going slow. I was worried that was going to fit, but it does. So thank God. Alexa, volume 1 please, thank you very much. Okay, you're getting me at the probably worst I've ever looked, but it's real life. So, I'm currently packing, now, okay, when I show you the mess of this room, do not judge. This is now the packing room. So, mess, yeah, bags, more bags, boxes. I'm wrapping up my Kris Kringle, well, Secret Santa, so there's like a mix of different things in there. I kind of like to wrap it like bad, but also not bad at the same time. Like Exhibit A, like it's terribly wrapped, but like also it's kind of cute. This is Maeve's. I'll give you a hint. Oh, that's Maeve's. I'm keeping it in the box it came in because that's what I'm doing. I'm currently wrapping Aveen's and the new babies. Well, this is Aveen's here, my little sister, and this is the new baby's present here. I love Ralph Lauren because when you get things gift wrap, they send you this little thing. So for your convenience, we have numbered your gifts to match the line number on your packing list. Now I got Dad's birthday present came in this box as well. So that's why there's like I think that's why they done that, because there's 3 things in it. Dean's gift hasn't came yet. One of the other items from my Kris Kringles hasn't came yet. I'm hoping it comes tomorrow. I just don't know what I'm going to do. But that's all I have to pack. I just love these, like, are these boxes not just like the cutest things ever? Like, oh my gosh, I think they're so pretty. And they have like little kind of ribbon. I'm dying to see this. Actually, I might have a peek. Okay, don't pull the whole thing off, James. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. God, I hope it fits her. Yeah, that's that anyway. So, yeah. It's Christmas Eve. Okay, a little life hack for you. Let me just plop you up here. Hi. So, when you're going wrapping your present, I've learned that if you kind of point it in, you kind of see, you know, we're saying when the paper's like a bit too long, and when you go to fold it doesn't fold nicely. You kind of do this. You kind of see where you need to cut it to. So then that makes a little marker, and you just get your scissors then, and you cut down to that line, and you just cut around to make the paper shorter, so when you tie it at the bottom, it finishes a lot nicer. So, just a little tip for you guys if you just wanted to use it. I don't know if you do or not, but you look disgusting. Oh my goodness. Okay, right, well, I'm just gonna go before I regret this, okay? So, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hello, how are you today? I'm fantastic. It's January and it's time to take down the Christmas tree. My favourite thing to do. Not really, I like putting them up, I don't like taking them down. So I have to take this one down today. How are you today? I'm fantastic. I don't know how much of the Christmas is going to be up in this vlog because I didn't vlog and Alexa? I can't remember how much of it I vlogged. I don't think I vlogged a lot of it, to be honest. Look, I'm a state because I was up in the attic. But I don't think I vlogged a lot of it because I just wanted to be in the moment and just relax. This lightness. I just wanted to be in the moment and relax and, you know, spend time with my family and friends and not be like, oh, am I vlogging, whatever. I'm very excited about this year. I have very big changes happening at the end of January, and I'm very excited about them. I'm going to Prague in a few weeks. Anyway, but that's what we're doing. We're going taking down the Christmas tree. So let's go. Let's take it down. If I'm doing it, you're doing it also. So sorry. For the teardrops in my guitar, the only one. I think my favorite type of decoration is the these kind of vintagey looking sparkly ones, like vintagey and cute. If it's gonna focus on it, probably not, but that's one of my favorite ones. And I also like the kind of more rustic ones, like these acorns as well. I think they're very cute and like the little birds. It's a real selection box of decorations on this tree, and I love it. Okay, finally it's time to actually take the fucking tree down. So let's get it down. Hello, okay, so how are you today? I am fantastic. I'm just on my way to a site at the moment. I'm going to see if I posture. It's ridiculous. I'm going back up to Galway today. I have to go to four sites on the way up, and I have to film 2 videos, and then that's it. So I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but I'll bring you along with me, and you can see it's a lot of traveling. So let's do this. Good morning. How are you today? Don't look at me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't continue vlogging the last day. Just got really busy and I just forgot to take the camera back out again. Also, doesn't really see it the sites. A lot of it is just, oh my goodness. A lot of it is like, one of them is like a new build, so it's like literally green grass. So I don't think you're really interested in seeing that one. But today is the first day that I'm working full time for myself. So it's scary, but I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna make myself a coffee, and then I'm gonna hit the road. I have a lot to do today. I have to order curtains, wallpaper, paint, tiles, the works. So we're going to do that today. So I'm gonna bring you along. I can't promise I'm gonna vlog everything, but I will try my best. So bear with me, because my mind gets flustered sometimes. You know, when you're trying to think of everything, it's hard to remember everything. So if I forget to give the camera out, I don't hear it. Okay? Anyway, let's go. I don't know what this lighting's gonna be like, but I just came out the antique shop there. Oh my goodness, when I tell you, that's probably better. When I tell you, I'm obsessed. I saw so many nice pieces, and I wanted to get a lamp, but it was just a bit outside my price range. So I'm gonna figure out how to get it. I just couldn't I couldn't spend that just today. Not a chance. I also went for coffee with Ruth Walsh. I'll insert a picture here because I forgot to take a vlog of it. We're actually doing a project together this year, so keep an eye for that one. Now I'm on my way to LG Glass to get scheduled in to get this antique mirror put into this bookshelf. Then I'm going to Albany to get paint samples, wallpaper, etc, etc. And then I'm back up to Galway to the Soak Sofa company to check up on my couches. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're flying it. We're doing fantastic. So I'll check in with you when I finish there.